Stop what you're doing right now, because if you are looking for a gated, waterfront, pet-friendly community, then this is the home for you.
With over 2,300 square feet of elegant living space, this home has everything that you need. It's bright, it's spacious, it's move-in ready. When you move in, you don't have to lift a finger.
And check this out. We have a completely remodeled kitchen with brand new stainless steel appliances, sleek backsplash, and even an unfinished pantry that can also be a meditation room, an office, or even a podcast room. Whether you're a pro chef or a takeout pro, this space is calling your name.
This screens-in patio is the perfect oasis for enjoying your morning coffee, hanging out with friends, or relaxing after a long day.
And this primary suite, absolute bliss. Tons of space, natural light, and a killer bathroom. This primary bathroom is a real showstopper with ample counter space, double sinks, and that oasis feel you are looking for.
Living here means maintenance free. Your associations do cover exterior upkeep and insurance.
And the location, it's unbeatable. Minutes from EOS Fitness, the walk at university for shopping and dining, and a top-rated charter school.
This house checks all the boxes.
And opportunities like this do not come often.
So don't wait. Call, text, or DM us
To schedule your private showing before it's gone.